A mushroom and think it to be beautiful. You must have had quite a lot of
Yes.
Sorry.
I should think so.
It was huge. The table vibrated. It was almost turning into a catastrophic situation. Where are your manners, common people? Oh, common people. We're ugly and common.
Goodness me.
Think Bijan's got a work cut out keeping this lot in line. Pardon you, Anna. Sounds like someone's enjoying the food.
These two, it's not bleed now. You know, there's a time and a place, really, isn't there?
Yeah.
No, it's a really good way of being, like, it's a foreign way of saying that was your way.